Well, so we have a train here at Stange Road, Stange, and this time it is a eastbound train. And once again on the NS Toledo district. This is my first time videoing a eastbound here. Last time I was here, it was a westbound. Oh, and by the way, happy Labor Day, everyone. Today is our Monday extravaganza, folks. Daddy's about to cross Greytown Road.
But otherwise, it's our Labor Day extravaganza.
No, we don't say that. We say our Monday extravaganza, or whatever day it is.
Oh, this is Labor Day.
I know, but not. We don't say it like that.
Can we just one time?
No.
Oh darn it. Well, that.
Today is our Monday extravaganza, folks. With this eastbound coming, I don't know if I am going to see another one on this line. If I do, it'll probably be a westbound. Ooh, you can hear his engine, Daddy.
Yep.
Daddy, how far is he?
I'm guessing he's probably about 1.25 miles at this point. He must not be moving very fast.
Not even close to being 1.25 miles. Only a half a mile.
He's just chugging along, isn't he?
Daddy, he's only about 1/4 mile, I think.
1/4 mile? Maybe a half. Yep, half. There we go.
Free engines again, Daddy.
It's the same train.
No, it's not. No, it's not, Daddy. Yeah, Daddy, isn't this the same one or no? Daddy, is he moving?
That's way more bigger.
What?
That's way more bigger. And look.
Not very long. No blink.
Yeah, no blink.
Daddy, are we gonna see another one on this line or no?
No, I do not know.
Probably might, right? Daddy, here's how the red signal looks like now.
Yeah. Right, and that can get real easily confused with the yellow on this particular signal. And it's easy to see why.
Okay, so that's it.